How many of you have felt the calming effect after having had a beer? Am I the only one?
I'm out of age.
It's 21.
Okay, well, the reason for that is the hops ingredient in the beer. That's a natural herb, just like marijuana, and it's used as a holistic medicine, actually, believe it or not. Hops is given to patients who suffer from anxiety and insomnia, hence the reason why after having had a beer you sleep like a baby. And marijuana is given to treat patients who suffer from cancer, diabetes, glaucoma, nausea, pain. So today I'm going to inform you about holistic medicines, what they are, the 3 different types of therapies, and how they compare to conventional medicine. Holistic medicine, according to the American Holistic Medical Association natural physician and ethnobotanist Stephen Morris, 40% of all medicines over the counter and pharmaceutical are plant-derived, which, 40% is a pretty large percentage. Herbal medicine is one of the largest and fastest growing components of holistic medicine due to the large interest people take into self-care and alternative medicine compared to conventional medicine. Now that you have a broad overview of what holistic medicine is, I'm going to go ahead and go into the 3 therapies regarding holistic medicine. The first therapy I want to talk to you about is herbal medicine. There's different forms that it comes in. You've got your whole herbs and powders, herbal teas and caplets, which are your most common. You find them at H-E-B, Walmart, GNC, Vitamin World. Tinctures and herbal extracts are probably the least common. It's a little more concentrated form. The herbs are soaked in 3 solvents, whether you use water, glycerin, or alcohol can also be used depending on the effect that you're looking for. It can soak anywhere from a few hours to a few weeks. Essential oils, balms, and ointments. Essential oils are probably the most common that you see like at Bath and Body Works and aromatherapy shops. You've got your lavender oils or peppermint to de-stress and relax. Some of the most common herbs and their uses, I just listed 5, but there is everything out there in the market for anything that you could possibly think of. Anything from nausea to impotence. I mean, not that any of us have that problem here, but just in case. Aloe vera would be your first. That's very good for healing cuts and scrapes. It's also a moisturizer, a cleansing agent used as a tonic. Ginkgo biloba enhances brain and memory function. Much to my amazement, it treats asthma and impotence. Of course, dementia and Alzheimer's we pretty much associated with memory loss. Cayenne has a special ingredient called capsaicin, and this is red pepper is what it is. It improves blood circulation and aids in digestion as well. And it's given to patients to treat arthritis, pain relief, patients who suffer from fibromyalgia. Chamomile is probably the most common. I know that probably a lot of us, our mothers gave it to us when we were small and had colic or some kind of indigestion. It's also used anything to do with gastrointestinal problems, ulcers, anything of that nature. Echinacea stimulates the immune system, and that's very popular around the winter months when flu season comes around. And St. John's wort relieves anxiety, depression, nervous tension, anything of that sort. But if you'll notice, there's a caution associated with St. John's wort. It shouldn't be taken with antidepressant drugs because it can cause a bad reaction. Now that I've told you about herbal medicine, I'm going to move on to the second therapy, which is acupuncture. There are about 4 different types listed. You've got your traditional acupuncture, which is needles that are placed along the body on the acupoints, depending on what is the problem that you're trying to target. You've got auricular therapy, which is acupuncture of the ear. That's mainly used to treat any type of addiction, whether it's alcohol, drug, or nicotine. Electroacupuncture, which is small. It's the same as traditional. The only difference is that you're given small electrical impulses, and sonopuncture is used of laser and sonar waves. A third therapy of holistic medicine would be a therapeutic massage. I list a few, there's 5. Your Swedish massage, which is your vigorous massages for relaxation and flushes away waste from the body. You have your sports massage, which is basically used for athletes, for soreness, stiff muscles, peak performance. Myofascial release, which is treatment of the face. Myofascia, which is basically just stretching and slow massage due to whatever the patient can withstand, because it's very painful around the mouth area, runs all the way down the neck, shoulders, and back. Shiatsu is a form of massage that is similar to acupuncture. It triggers the meridians, which is the same as acupoints and acupuncture, depending on what it is your problem is. That's what they target, and reflexology promotes your reflexes as well. It's also good to treat PMS, hypertension, anxiety, and pain. Comparison between holistic medicine and conventional medicine is that herbal medicine gives you a slower reaction because it goes indirectly to your bloodstream, whereas conventional medicine goes direct and it gives you a harsher side effect. It also is less costly than conventional medicine, of course, and the side effects are not as harsh, even though you do have to be careful about the high quality of your herbal medicine and make sure that you take it correctly. So in conclusion, I just want to close by saying that, again, holistic medicine is a non-invasive, safer alternative to conventional medicine. And hopefully you've been more informed now that I've given you the meaning of holistic medicine and how there are 3 types of therapies, and also how they compare to conventional therapy, conventional medicine, So I hope that this will help you next time that you have someone that is ill maybe and looking into starting a treatment for their sickness. That's it. Thank you.